Join us as we explore the top 6 products, meticulously evaluated for performance, budget considerations, value, and more. Detailed prices and information can be found in the description. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a ultralight and easy-to-use camera drones. It's even easier on your wallets, but still jam-packed with cool features. The Mini 2 SE's 12-megapixel camera captures video at up to 2.7K HD resolution. The drone also flies fast and strong, hitting up to 35 miles per hour, and can stay up in the air for up to 31 minutes at a time. Easy to soar high and capture cool footage, even if you're still learning the ropes. The big changes here from the previous Mini SE is that it used the O2 radio systems, which doubles the bandwidths and increase the ranges to 10 kilometers, 6.2 mi in the US. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the perfect folding mini drone for adults who are looking to capture stunning aerial videos. With its 4K HDR video camera, you can unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking footage of sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. The videos can be shared instantly without the need for post-cutting, allowing you to enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the cameras. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 4 Pro is its omnidirectional vision sensing, which enhances safety during flights. Another advantage of the DJI Mini 4 Pro is its extended battery life, which allows for uninterrupted, longer flights. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and explore vast landscapes without any limitations. The Mini 4 Pro comes equipped with a 34-minute battery. Additionally, the drone's weight may exceed the limit of 249 g when used with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Potensic A20, complete with 2 rechargeable battery and a controllers. It's a great option for those looking for a durable and affordable options that won't be at risk of breakage from small, clumsy hands. Aspects of the Potensic A20 mini drones is designed to be simple to use, no matter whether you are introducing a kid to drone or you are a beginner yourself. One of our favorite aspects of the drone is its headless mode. Ordinarily, the forward directions of a flying drone is the same as the nose directions. However, headless mode means that the forward directions will be the same as your transmitters. This is particularly useful for kids or beginner who might not be quite au fait with some of its trickier aspect of piloting and drone. Weighing just about 190 g, not only does the compacts and lightweight natures of the Potensic A20 makes it easy to carry around or store away, but it also means that you won't have to. BETAFPV ELRS Cetus X. The BETAFPV ELRS Cetus X FPV drone kit offers an immersive and thrilling FPV experience for beginners, empowering them to fly faster and further. This ready-to-fly RTF kit includes the Light Radio 3 radio transmitter and VR03 FPV goggles with DVR recording capabilities. Designed for FPV enthusiasts seeking advanced performance, the drone supports 2S power, ensuring a dynamic and responsive flight. It's equipped with Betaflight support. Users can customize and optimize the drone settings for a personalized flying experience. The ELRS, Express LRS technology enhances control range, providing a reliable signal for an extended flight range. The included Light Radio 3 radio transmitter ensures precise control, while the VR03 Potensic ATOM 3-axis. Potensic ATOM 3-axis is equipped with cutting-edge Sony CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera proficient in recording 4K 30 fps video. The ATOM GPS drone delivers commendable image and video quality. The triple-axis brushless gimbal ensures seamless and stable footage even in challenging wind conditions. The upgraded PixelSync 3.0 technology ensures enhanced anti-interference that is compatible and an extended transmission range up to 6 km. The user-friendly remote control makes it effortless and discerning to command the drone with assurance. The ATOM drone camera supports precise visual tracking and quick shots such as pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, providing you with more autonomy to capture the artistic moments in your surroundings. Every scene can manifest cinematic visuals. The compact drone. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.